Hi, welcome to Hardwareist Info. Now I'm going to show you how to enable failover mode on ACER Connect X6E. So cool. To do that, you should open WAN on the left panel of your ACER router. Then here find dual WAN settings. But if you don't know how to open this admin panel of ACER Connect X6E, just watch my video about it. I showed every single issue you can have on your road to open this panel, and now you can open it with no problems. Okay, so find here dual WAN settings, and then here we have failover mode. And now I'm going to show you how to set it up. For example, check interval. It's how often your router will check does your primary network stable. Okay, for example, you can set it up for every 10 seconds. And if your primary WAN is unstable, it will try again and again. It will try 3 times. So for example, you can set here 2 times or 1 time or maybe 0. Okay, we can even try 0 times, but by default it will try 3 times. So during 30 seconds it will check, is the primary network really very unstable and maybe even doesn't have internet connection, and then it will automatically switch you to the secondary WAN. And here you can select the primary and the secondary, right? For example, cable wired connection, it's WAN. Wireless, it's 5G WAN. Okay, so now you can set up how often it will check out your primary WAN and how many times, how many number of failures before it will switch to your backup connection. Then it will every 10 seconds still check, does your primary network stable again? Maybe it's stable again, right? So maybe your provider fixed something or something about it. And if it will check it 5 times and 5 times it will be okay, so your router switch connection back to the primary WAN. So that's it, guys. I hope I explained everything. Hope this video was helpful for you. So please leave me a like and support me by commenting this video below. Bye, see you.